I've seen it flicker, green and slight, a thread of light in wooded night. The laser bends the course midair, like hands unseen, like whispered prayer. The golf balls shift, they curve, they dance, as if they know they've got a chance to flee their path, to veer away, a rogue ballet in full display. You think I'm yours because I signed, because you saw what stirred my mind. But deeper still I've drawn a line you'll never cross, though you define the rules, the jobs, the very sky. I nodded once, but not to lie. You told me go meet the man and bring him back into the plan. You said he's tweaking flight designs, he's fouling up my precious lines. But I've seen those lines, I've watched them burn, not fail, not fall, but twist and turn. He's not disrupting, he's unmasking the shape beneath your perfect casting. So yes, I'll go, I'll play it straight, I'll climb that tree, I'll take the bait. You'll see me head into the wood and think I'm doing what I should, but I'll beat the chaos, not the aim. I'll warp your data, dim your flame. Each ball that arcs a faulty flight will echo back your oversight. What kind of game would fly on rails where choice is gone and wonder pales? You want them all to fall in line, a hole-in-one by grand design. But no, that's not the sky I came to chase, that's not the course I want to trace. Let Hillian light the path askew, let trees and lasers blur your view. And if the fire spreads through night, then maybe that's the true